Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have what you need. Start now by confirming your phone model supports the magazine lock screen and is on the latest system update. Once done, sign into the device account tied to wallpapers and themes and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads don't choose cellular data. Make sure you clear a little storage, about 100 to 200 MB, so the app and images can cache. Finally, open Settings and go straight to Lock Screen Options to begin the enablement process without delay. Next, navigate to Lock Screen Settings and locate the magazine or rotating wallpaper service. This is where you enable the feature. Tap to install or activate the magazine plugin, then grant storage and network permissions so images can download and update automatically. After activation, choose the categories you like: news, nature, art, and set frequency. Each unlock for variety, hourly for freshness, or daily for subtle change. Use the preview to confirm layout and toggle whether headlines or credits appear on the. Finish by locking your phone and unlocking it several times to confirm images rotate and look good. This validates settings and permissions. If images don't update or plugin errors appear, clear the magazine cache and apps, then restart or reinstall the plugin. Make sure storage and network permissions remain granted. Also check that battery optimization or data saver isn't restricting background downloads. If it is, whitelist the magazine service. If problems persist, toggle the feature off and on to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.